continuation of municipal and industrial wastewater engineering. Today we will discuss on dairy wastewater treatment. With the increase in demand, the millions of milk and milk product, many dairies of different sizes have come up at different places. Large quantity of wastewater originated due to their different operations. The organic substance in the waste comes either in the form in which they were present in the milk or in degraded form due to their processing. As the dairy waste, though biodegradable, are very strong in nature due to the content coming out from milk. The processing and sources of waste. The liquid waste from large dairies originated from different places because it having different processing units, starting from receiving the station, bottling plants, cheese plant, butter plant, casing plant, condensing plant, dried milk plant, and ice cream plant. So these are the main station like milk receiving storage tank, where you're going to get one type of wastewater, that is cleaning of tank, cleaning of can, cleaning of equipment, and in clarification, pasteurization, you are going to get different types of wastewater. It may contain with some of the milk drops and parts of the milk processing. And third part, you're going to get the wastewater of milk homogenization, cheese manufacturing, butter churning, milk powder, ice cream, yogurt products. So different process will get different wastewater. Then later the product will be for packaging, storage and shipping. Here we not bother because it's a dry process. Only packaging, no wastewater will be used here. So we are going to concentrate mainly on three unit, that is milk receiving and storage tank wastewater, clarification pasteurization wastewater, and milk and their milk product. Some amount of water recycled as a cooling and for steam production. Waste also come from softening plant and from bottle and washing plant. The liquid waste originated out of rinse and washing of bottles, can, equipments containing a small drippings of milk, chemical used for cleaning or sanitization, and for cleaning container equipments. Whereas in cheese plant, the casein of milk in the form of curd, the way in then withdrawn and curd compressed to allow access to drain out. Here you're going to get some type of microorganism is going to come out because you're going to have lactobacillus bacteria, etc. The creaming process for milk is preheated to around 30 degrees centigrade to separate the cream from the milk and plant butter. The cream is pasteurized and again ripened with selected acid and bacterial culture. And buttermilk and wash water used to clean the churns. Small quantity of butter comes out as a waste from the butter plant. So here characteristics, the butter plant will be different, characteristics from homogenization different, characterization cheese plant will be different. Discovered or spoiled milk also sometimes is going to be affected. Sometimes the skim milk processed to produce casein used for preparation of some type of plastic. So whey proteins, it is a one type of biodegradable protein which is also used from milk. The waste from these sections include whey, washing and chemicals used for preparation. In addition to the waste from above milk processing unit, some amount of uncontaminated cooling water comes as a waste. This will be recirculated. The effect of this waste on receiving water and sewage plants. As you study the processing unit, mainly biodegradable oxygen demand will be more in dairy industrial waste. Also, some amount of chemicals coming out by cleaning or sanitization is also coming into picture. The waste is basically organic in nature. This also slightly alkaline when fresh. When these waste are allowed to go to the stream without any treatment, so DO level is going to depleted and growth of some of the organism, fungi, etc. at the bottom of the stream is going to create another condition. So because this wastewater from in the milk in a dairy containing high amount of BOD, treatment of dairy waste, as I discussed earlier, is containing more amount of BOD. Due to low COD and BOD ratio, the dairy waste can be treated effectively by biological process. Since we are going to have more amount of biological oxygen demand instead of chemical oxidation demand. Moreover, this waste contains sufficient nutrient for bacterial growth. Due to intermittent nature of the waste, it is desirable to provide an equalization tank. So purpose of equalization tank is to equalize the nature of the wastewater coming out from different processing unit. And you're going to give extra amount of aeration before same sent for biological treatment. A provision of grease trap also necessary as the pre-treatment to remove fat and greasy substance from the waste. Generally, this greasy and fat is coming out during the washing of cans using sanitization or some equipment washing. Aeration for a day not only prevent the formation of lactic acid but also you're going to reduce BOD by 50%. High rate of trickling filters, activated sludge plants can be employed very effectively for complete treatment for the dairy waste. Since the dairy waste containing high amount of BOD, there is no other procedure is required or process is required to treat these organic demands. Generally, activated sludge is going to be used along with trickling filter to remove the dairy waste. So as a conclusion, we can see here the amount of dairy waste can be treated by activated sludge process and trickling filters. Okay, these are some of the MCQ. Milk with total solid will produce the what of flavor is a flat of flavor is going to be developed. The contaminants of milk that are detrimental to human health are is a pesticides. All other things are required. Milk found in cow with high somatic cell count would result in the decrease in the casein in pasteurization. The chemical sanitizers containing as model used for sanitizing milk is a chlorine is a common sanitizer used to clean the equipment. Water is added to milk to detect the by checking the freezing point. Milk is a good supply of mineral except for magnesium, iron and manganese and copper. So in this way we can able to treat. And homogenization is the milk process that makes milk more easily digested by those with sensitive digestive system. Then yellow color in the milk is due to presence of carotenoids. Yogurt contains the mixed lactic acid culture containing is a Lactobacillus bulgaris and Staphylococcus thermophilus. Hope you understood the present topic, that is treatment of dairy waste with different processes. So you are going to mostly treat this wastewater by means of biological treatment.